And hello there, Farmville, Crumptown Farm. I am meteorologist Mike Griffith here for Charlotte Weather Ranger. It's about 10:30 p.m. here on Thursday, September 15th, 2016, and we're going to talk some climate here in the medium range as we go into weeks 1 and 2 and then 3 and 4 here. And what we're looking at is temperature anomalies at the surface. So anything in red being above normal temperatures here, and anything that is in the green meaning below normal temperatures. And this is all valid from September 13th through September 19th here at the top image, and in the bottom image here is valid from September 20th through September 26th. And we can see here that east, the whole eastern half of the United States through the 19th of September, which would be through this weekend, we're going to be above normal here. Temperatures well above normal, especially up here in Virginia for your location. And there's even a little darker red, this little spot right here on the legend. And if I can see this correctly, there's a little speck of 3 to 6 standard deviations above normal. The way we read these is statistics. These are standard deviations above normal, so very much above normal, almost right there near Farmville for now through the 19th of September. And as we head into September 20th through the 26th, again, still above normal here in the east all the way down through Georgia and especially up here into the northeast. And what I want to point out, though, is this extreme above normal right here. This is almost 6 to 9 standard deviations above normal right here, just south of the Hudson Bay in Canada. And what does that mean? Well, we get all our cold air from Canada. We get all of our cold air. If any cold air is going to spill down here into the eastern U.S., it's going to come from up in this area. So if this is all warm or way above normal temperatures, there's no going to be any cold air outbreaks anytime between now and the 26th. I'll let you in on that information right here, right now. For you guys, no, there's not going to be any cold air invasion, and it's just going to be pretty much above normal for a long time. Let's go ahead here and see about week 3 and 4 surface temperatures from the 27th through the 3rd of October and 4th of October through the 10th of October. And it looks like here that we're going to be seeing below normal temperatures. Not by much, though. I mean, the trick of the trade here is looking up over here again in Canada, over Western Canada, Alaska, and seeing where all the warm air is, extremely warm air, and it's going to keep all the cold air up here locked up. So I don't think that this is necessarily saying cold through October 3rd right here. It's just saying slightly below average for this time of year. As we head into the eastern United States, it looks like it's just white right here for you guys for up there in Virginia. It looks like it's just going to be closer to seasonal normal. So it's not going to be really cold. The coldest is going to be out here in the Missouri, out here in Indiana, out here in the plains where they don't have any mountains. And then going through the 10th of October, still looks like we're about seasonal here in the eastern half of the United States. Now, I do think that this below normal temperatures on this climate model and this below normal temperatures right here for week 3 and week 4, I think that these are just going to be model feedback. I think this is not reality. I don't see how it's possible that we're above normal here, but then it has this below normal here. The only way this could be possible is if this is rain. And same down here. I mean, there could be some tropical systems coming up into the Baja of Mexico and coming up this way, and that could be what the model's picking up on and saying it's going to be below normal for October. But I'm still thinking hot and dry. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, again, since these are weeklies, these are weekly climate forecasts right here. This is September 13th through the 19th. Once again, this is precipitation now. This is how wet or dry it's going to be, and this is week 2 right here. And as we look at the map here for the eastern United States, well, you're right on the border between much, much below average and normal, and then above average precipitation out there to your west. So it's still looking dry for you, I would say, through the 19th. And then on the 20th, through the 26th, we're going to get a cold front that comes down through here, through the United States, temporarily will bring a shot of chilly air, but then it's going to warm right up again. And that's probably what this climate model is picking up on, is that front coming through and dumping a bit of rain, probably around the 20th, 21st of September. And let me show you what I'm talking about with that precipitation. This right here is NCEP, the government's QPF outlook, or I should say the quantitative precipitation forecast, if I could spit that out in one word, 2 words actually. And these are the forecasted amounts. Okay, now this is through September 21st. Actually, it's through the 20th. This is through September 20th right here, and you can see that you are in the realm of maybe a tenth up to a quarter inch of precipitation right there in Farmville anytime between now through September 21st. Not a lot, just enough to get the ground wet. And it's not going to pour rain or anything like that, but we're looking at anywhere between a tenth and a quarter inch of precipitation there for Farmville, for your farm, anytime between now through the 20th. But as those climate models were picking up on, the 20th was looking like it's going to be the next real shot of rain, but dry until then. Not a whole going on with accumulated precipitation. And as we look at the HRRR and we look at total precipitation through 8 p.m. Friday, you guys are right around here somewhere, and you're staying dry at least through the next day, which is Friday. But that's just kind of short term. I posted one of those images below here on that page just for your convenience to look at. That's all for now in the long range. As far as it goes, it's looking like a warm end to September, maybe some rain around the 20th. And then as we start October, I don't buy those weeklies. I think the monthlies are more accurate. I think we remain warm through the month of October, and also dry too, drier than average. That's all for now. Enjoy the weather. This is Charlotte Weather Rangers meteorologist Mike Griffith. If you ever have any questions or anything like that, there should be a blog form on the bottom of this page, or you can just shoot me an email. Thanks for checking in the Weather Ranger. Have a great time.